Welcome back to NASCAR 2006. Fire to the top. Today is the test day for a truck contract. Come on. IRP. In the race on the racetrack we just won at. Well, not like right now, but last episode we won. Indianapolis Raceway Park. That's target lap. Oh, it's way louder in here. Inside truck. Okay, this one's not like the one. 21, just beat it. Come on. This is just the test, son. And testing complete. Is it gonna tell me if I'm in? We'll be in contact with your agent. Ooh. Oh, that. Okay. We got a call.
Hey, it is Ace Moneymaker, and you are making money hand over fist thanks to your boy Ace. More contract offers are available at the race shop, so why don't you go over there? I believe the kids call it bling bling. Oh, you can afford a whole lot more of it now, baby.
Let's go! We made it! Oh, that's good to know. The race shop. Is that for what? Wait, that's the one we're at right now? Yeah, okay. New contracts. Team Prestige 3. Oh, the Rossi Racing is the only one. Fantasy Team Chemistry 16. BJ Fisher and Wilson Eubanks. Prestige 15 per race. Ooh, that's way more than here. Cut. Winnings cut. 10% of winnings and of 6. Yep. Well, guys, I think we're racing. Yep, we are now racing 2 different series. The truck and the wheeling. Oh, this is gonna be so hard to understand. The other one's the New Hampshire. But next episode, it'll be the Kroger 200 at Martinsville. You know what it means. The Hail Melon Move. Search it up in YouTube if you not know what it is. Well, guys, see you in the next one. Goodbye.